Owning a home in San Diego County. For those who can afford it, it can be a dream come true. But the dream is becoming increasingly more expensive, and that's if you can even get insurance. The California Department of Insurance says 7 out of the 12 largest insurance companies have either paused or restricted new policies. Some companies have stopped doing business in the state altogether.
What is happening is that we have a very unfortunate kind of toxic stew of things that happened at the same time.
That's Amy Bach, the co-founder and executive director of United Policyholders. The nonprofit was formed in the early 90s to level the playing field between insurers and the insured. She says that job is harder than ever due to a number of factors. One is technology that insurers are now using, like drones and satellite images, to slap a risk score on people instead of looking at their situation holistically. That's part of what she calls TMI, too much information.
Finally, now they see all the trees around your house and they see your wood pile and they see, they see things that scare them out of wanting to insure you.
And COVID, with its effect on supply chains, made everything, material and the price of labor, skyrocket.
We're kind of in the middle of the regulatory environment.
Jill Epstein is the CEO of the Independent Insurance Agents and Brokers of California. The people her organization represents don't set rates, they sell policies. However, she says she understands where insurance companies are coming from that do business in California.
We have a regulatory environment that has not modernized with time. It's going to take some time to undo the situation we're in right now.
It may be hard to believe, but California actually has some of the lowest insurance rates in the country. And that bit of news comes not from an insurance company, but from the California Department of Insurance. Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara just approved a 20% increase in rates State Farm can charge. That hike goes into effect tomorrow. State Farm is the biggest insurer in California.
What's really happening here is it's national, but we're taking action in California.
The California Department of Insurance's Michael Soller says the department is working on a new regulatory structure.
So Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara has introduced a comprehensive strategy, the sustainable insurance strategy, to restore options for people, to improve availability of insurance. And that's really going to help to drive down the cost of insurance. Because right now we have areas where people cannot even get an insurance company to call them back.
Lara will soon introduce a new catastrophe modeling regulation that's designed to address things like the increasing risk of wildfires in the state. The idea being to make the business environment better for insurance companies so more of them either come back to the state or resume writing policies. The end goal is more competition, which theoretically should lead to lower prices. But everyone involved in the process agrees it will take time. In the meantime, homeowners here and across the state need to buckle up for more expensive rates to come, if they can get a policy at all. John Carroll, KPBS News.